Are you looking for the best DJI drone? Whether you're flying for fun or a photography gig, this video will help you get airborne. DJI has long been a drone maker's ace. From entry-level models to professional flying machines, it has alternatives for every type of pilot. So, today, let's go over the 5 best DJI drones in 2022. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom takes the impressive portability of the original Mavic Pro and adds not only professional features for content creators, but all-around smart collision sensors, and tops it off with a 2x optical zoom lens, offering an all-new perspective, and making this one of the best drones around for video and aerial photography. The Mavic 2 has allowed the company to solidify its position as the leading prosumer drone manufacturer. Some people may have simply improved the gimbal cover and increased the video resolution, but this drone's collision sensing system has the potential to welcome many more drone operators, who will now be much less concerned about safety. The Mavic 2 Zoom also introduces an awkward choice for many. There is also a DJI Mavic 2 Pro available, with a camera so different that it deserves its own review, but otherwise matching airframes. With that in mind, it seems appropriate to start with the minor complaint that this is a choice that needs to be made at all. A swappable camera would have been fantastic. Number 4. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V20. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V20 is the most recent model in the Phantom series, which is the range that catapulted DJI to the top of the drone market. The Phantom 4 Pro V20 was announced in 2018 as a significant upgrade over the Phantom 4, bringing a slew of professional features and improved flight technologies such as front, rear, and downward vision sensors, as well as infrared sensors on the aircraft's sides to provide obstacle sensing in 5 directions. This is a professional-level drone, thanks to its 20MP 1-inch sensor and ability to shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. Of course, it isn't the cheapest or smallest model in DJI's lineup, but all of these features, along with its power and speed, make it a compelling option for drone pilots. The Phantom 4 Pro V20's performance also does not disappoint photographers and videographers. The camera has a 20MP 1-inch sensor capable of shooting stunning raw stills as well as 4K, 60p video at 100 megabits per second in the D-Log color profile. The main issue with the Phantom 4 Pro V20, and one that will be a deal-breaker for some, is the aircraft's sheer size and weight. Carrying everything can be difficult at 1,375 grams with the battery and propellers installed, plus the 904 grams controller and 468 grams for each additional battery. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. DJI's Air brand has always been a sweet spot in the company's lineup for those searching for a nice blend of mobility and picture quality. It successfully combines the greatest features of DJI drones, the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro. You get the former's backpack-friendly, folding design and, more importantly, the latter's 20MP 1-inch sensor, a combination that easily places the Air 2S as our top drone. The Air 2S is a near-flawless all-rounder, with 5.4K video at 30 FPS, a useful digital zoom option, even if we'd only use it up to 2x zoom, and some outstanding high ISO performance. It's a winning combination that makes this mid-range drone appealing to both enthusiasts seeking their first drone and professional photographers eager to add a new aerial dimension to their shots. The Air 2S has a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, which is impressive considering the small batteries, but in real-world flying, flight times should be around 20 minutes. When flying in sport mode, the drone can reach speeds of up to 42.5 miles per hour, which is only marginally slower than the larger and more powerful Mavic 2 Pro. Other flight modes include Positioning Mode, P, which activates all sensors, and Cine, C, which restricts speed and makes controls less sensitive for shooting cinematic-looking video footage. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. DJI released the Mavic 3 before all of its features were complete. A firmware upgrade has finally filled the holes, converting it into the promised aerial powerhouse. The primary camera is a revolutionary dual Hasselblad setup, a 20 megapixels 4/3 CMOS sensor with adjustable aperture and best-in-class image quality, while the secondary telephoto lens is more restricted but still usable for distant situations. The Mavic 3's improved video shooting capabilities make it a substantial advance for professionals. It can take 5.1K at up to 50 FPS and Apple ProRes in Full HD at up to 120 FPS. Other improvements include increased battery life, greater collision avoidance, and improved flying response, all while maintaining the backpack-friendly size factor of its predecessors. If you choose the Cine edition, you will also receive 1 TB of solid-state storage. With the addition of Active Track 5.0 subject tracking, automatic master shots, and high-speed quick transfer through Wi-Fi 6, the Mavic 3 is easily the greatest DJI drone ever in terms of sheer performance. Professional flyers, though, are obviously the target market, with a price tag to match its spec sheet. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro elevates the Mini series by cramming professional capability into a tiny folding package. It weighs less than 250 grams, like its predecessor, but bigger propellers and greater aerodynamics result in maximum flying lengths of 34 minutes. Among the improvements is a new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This may now be spun 90 degrees to capture portrait material when attached to a stabilizing gimbal. Its improved shooting arrangement provides significant increases in video and still quality. Noise management was especially remarkable, delivering impressive results even in low light settings. The most expensive bundle includes the new DJI RC Smart Controller, which has a 5.5-inch touchscreen for improved sight. Obstacle avoidance sensors decrease collisions while enabling automatic quick shots on a mini-series drone for the first time. We love these automatic flying patterns, which make it simple to capture cinematic footage on your own. Similarly, subject tracking performs admirably. The Mini 3 Pro's higher price, $759, puts it closer to the DJI Air 2S, but we still think its compact size, low weight, and serious talents make it a superb flying machine for all sorts of pilots. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.